Good morning. I'm Roger with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City on a beautiful December morning. Today we're going to look at a Winnebago 27P. This is a brand new 2020. Yes, we've already got the 2020s out. It's a great coach. Let's take a quick look here. This is going to have the Velvac mirrors, the side camera. It's got the push button awning. It's got the outside entertainment package TV underneath the awning with outside speakers. Great storage compartment. I like how they have this little hook here for your pets. You can actually hook the pets to that. That's what it's for. A lot of storage down the whole side of this coach. Okay, this is going to be on the Ford chassis. This is the newest chassis. It's a 6-speed transmission. Great tow package. It's already wired up. It's already set up for a tow back here. Okay, we've got a 4,000 watt generator. We've got the backup camera. Again, a lot of great storage. This is one of the really big ones here underneath the bed. Wonderful storage here. It's a double slide coach on the Schwintek slide system. Look at all this big storage down through here. Gas, electric, water heater, heated compartments. It's going to keep all your plumbing dry and not let it freeze up as long as somebody's in the coach and utilizing it. Easy engine access here. Big one-piece windshield. And that's just the outside. On the inside, it's really a nice rig. Come on inside, let's take a look. Full-size drop-down bed. Sofa makes into a bed. Booth makes into a bed. We've got a walk-around bed and back, so this coach is going to sleep a lot of people if you need it to, or just two. Just depends on how you want to use it. Again, this is on that Ford chassis. This is a fully loaded chassis. It's got the backup camera, the side camera, the USB ports. It's got the automatic hydraulic leveling. It's got heated electric mirrors. Again, it's that new 6-speed transmission. Really gets your fuel economy running great. I like the size of this booth. You can get a lot of food on here because I do like to eat. That's how I maintain my figure. Okay, the sofa's straight across from the booth, so that creates that entertainment package. The kitchen, the amount of kitchen countertop is, pretty gosh darn decent, especially for a 27-foot coach. I can really get my cook on in here, and I do like to cook. It's got the big fridge. Here's our control panel. This is where we control the bed, the slides. It's pre-wired for solar. It's already got the controller here. We've got our generator. We've got our water heater here, water pump, managing all of our tanks and levels, etc. Our thermostat, our inverter, our energy management system. So if you need to plug this coach into like a 20 amp outlet, you can select that. Love that. Love the pantry. Again, 27-foot coach with a lot of amenities. Nice little hanging closet here. There's a table that can be used up by the front chairs. That way you can spin those chairs around, have them become part of your living room. And the bathroom. For a short coach, it's got a great bathroom. "27-foot coach," I've said it a few times. 3 TVs, one outside, one in your living room, and one already in the bedroom. The bedroom has its own thermostat back here for your own settings. This is a 27P 2020 from Winnebago at Guaranty RV. My name's Roger.Woodruff. If you have any questions about this or any other coach, give me a holler. Thanks. Have a great day.